Are you ready to truly understand the pulse of modern data? In today's interconnected world, applications don't just react, they flow. They process vast streams of information in real time, delivering experiences that are instant, intelligent, and infinitely scalable. And at the heart of this revolution, we have Apache Kafka. Welcome to the Apache Kafka 4.0 Masterclass. This isn't just a course. It's your definitive journey to mastering the cutting edge of event streaming. We are diving deep into Kafka 4.0, harnessing the power of Kraft, the game-changing architecture that makes Kafka simpler, faster, and more robust than ever before. Now you might be thinking, is this another course pushing proprietary tools? Absolutely not. Let me be crystal clear. I am not affiliated with any platform selling Kafka services. My mission is to empower you with pure, unadulterated Apache Kafka knowledge. In this masterclass, we will exclusively be using open source, freely available tools to learn Kafka. That means no paid services, no limited functionality trials, no hidden costs. You will gain hands-on experience spinning up and configuring your own Kafka 4.0 cluster right on your local system. We will explore both its basic and its most advanced functionality, all with tools that are 100% free and fully featured. From the core concepts of event-driven architecture and distributed messaging, through the intricacies of Kafka's internals to powerful stream processing with Go, schema registry for robust data governance, Kafka Connect for seamless integrations, and vital security practices. This course covers it all. Whether you are a curious beginner looking to step into the world of real-time data or an experienced developer ready to master Kafka 4.0's cutting-edge features, this masterclass is meticulously designed for you. You'll move from understanding the what and why to building production-grade Kafka solutions with confidence. Stop just thinking about building scalable real-time systems. Start doing it. Join me in the Apache Kafka 4.0 Masterclass and transform your skill set. Let's unlock the future of data together. Your journey to becoming Kafka fluent begins now.